In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste on Google Docs without formatting. Whether you're compiling research, creating a presentation, or jotting down notes, keeping your documents format consistent is key to a clean, professional look. This technique is especially useful when you're copying text from various sources, which often include unwanted styles and fonts. So, let's dive right into the process and enhance your Google Docs experience in just about 5 minutes. First off, let's get you signed into Google Docs. Hop onto your browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. Here, you'll be prompted to sign in if you aren't already. Click on the Sign In button, enter your email address, then click Next. Follow this by inputting your password and then click on Sign In again. This will grant you access to your Google Docs dashboard where all your documents live. Once you're signed in, it's time to open the document you want to work on. You can either select an existing document from your dashboard or create a new one if needed. Simply click on the document to open it and prepare it for editing. Now here comes the magic trick for pasting text without bringing along any unwanted formatting from the original source. Typically, when you paste text into Google Docs using the standard Ctrl+V command, it retains the original formatting like font style, size, and background color, which often doesn't match the styling of your document. This is where the special paste command comes into play. To paste your copied content without its original formatting, hold down the Control key, the Shift key, and the V key all at the same time. This powerful keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+V, strips the text of any previous formatting and pastes it into your document, matching the existing format of your doc. This means no more going back and manually adjusting text to ensure consistency throughout your document. It's a small tip that saves a ton of time, especially when dealing with lengthy documents or multiple sources. Remember, this shortcut works across various platforms, not just Google Docs, and can significantly speed up your workflow. So next time you're pulling information from the web or merging documents, keep this handy shortcut in mind to maintain a neat and uniform appearance in all your projects. That wraps up our quick guide on how to paste text into Google Docs without the original formatting. This simple yet effective technique ensures your documents remain clean and professional without the extra hassle of reformatting pasted text. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tip makes your Google Docs experience even smoother. Stay tuned for more useful guides and tips to help you navigate your digital work with ease.